Alrighty, folks. You know how I was mentioning in one of my review videos of this bracelet, how I was saying I kind of disliked the knot and wished I could find one with a clasp. Well, I found two different styles with the clasp. But this one here has the characters rather than the ancient text. I was debating on getting my wife one as well. Turn this camera around. This way you see the both of us.
Hello.
Hey, we're both in the video here. Try to lean in. So the question is, would you want us to review the Zodiac style bracelet with the clasp and compare it to this one here, which I was the only one that had one, so that would be partial, but Kristine likes jewelry, so she knows a little bit more about jewelry, so she'd have a good opinion. What do you think?
I like the Zodiac characters on them. Those are pretty, and the purple and the teal, kind of like the bluish.
So, ladies and gentlemen, and viewers of all sorts, maha. Let's hear your comments down below, and we'll see what happens from there. Like, share, and subscribe. And there's my beautiful wife again. Bye-bye.